welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this game assets over here. So we'll be continuing it. So now what I'll be doing over here is like, I'll just go over here. First of all, I'll just increase the size of it, of this support over here. So I'll just make one copy, again shift and drag to make one more copy over here. Now let's go into this, select this, I'll increase its length and width slightly. So once you are done with this, I can slightly increase its length and convert to editable poly. I'll go into this, make it as isolate. I'll just make it a bit straighter, select this, make it straight, make it straight. So once you are done with this, I'll go into this, I'll slightly push it over here, right click and isolate. So I can slightly shuffle this a bit down over here, select this, scale it, make it straight. So I'll select this and I'll again push it at the center of it and make it straight. So once it is done, I can shuffle it up, select this, make it straight. Now I'll go into this, let's give chamfer over here. So we can slightly add a bit of chamfer, or else later on I'll just smoothen it. So I'll go into this, let's go into this, and let's take I'll go into the swift loop. Let's put some swift loop over here. Let's add some swift loop and make it straight. Let's make it straighter. Drag it over here. So let's just make it straighter. Select this, drag it, make it straighter. So let's select the polygons, select this and this, and let's give a bit of bevel to it by local normal. So I'll slightly add a bevel, click OK. we can slightly we can just adjust it accordingly and isolate it. So once it is done, now again I will go over here, so let's create a box over here. I'll just activate slightly, I'll place it in this way. So let's take a line. I'll take a line over here. I'll off this. So drag this, select this, so now push it over here a bit inside, slightly I'll select this, and let's give a bit of fillet to it. So I'll just add a bit of fillet, slightly add a fillet. So let's go over here, go into rendering, enable in viewport, and let's reduce this slightly. Press shift and drag in this way. So select this both, convert to poly, take a box, so I'll just take a box over here, resize it, and I'll just place it over here. Again take a swift loop, and isolate. So I'll make multiple copies of it. I'll just go down. Let's give the copies over here, push it down, push this down. I'll just save the file once over here. Now what I can do over here is like, okay, there are multiple things. So I'll again go over here and I'll select this, and I can add a loop over here. So select the polygons, so select the polygons over here, and let's extrude this up slightly. So let's go into the front view. Let's take a line. I'll just take a line and I'll drag it down. Make it as radial. Let's go over here, fillet. So convert to editable poly. So slightly place it in this way. So select the polygons. I can just delete this and we'll make one more copy of it over here. Drag it down. Alright. So just save the file once over here. So again I'll select this. Let's take one more box over here. So I can just select this and if needed I'll scale it. We can slightly push it out. So take a box, so drag it a bit inside, convert to poly, insert and slightly extrude it a bit inside. Okay guys, so if any doubts please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel. So long way to go. So we'll continue the rest of the part in the coming tutorial. So thanks for watching this tutorial.